Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been a while since I've done a vlog with you guys, but I'm actually heading into Kingston, so I'm driving, so I can't look at you guys like all the time. Practicing safe driving. So I'm heading into Kingston for a launch. I'm actually heading to Campari's launch, Respect the Bitter, and it's supposed to start at 7. It's 6:43 now. I'm just leaving St. Catherine, but hopefully I'll get there by 8. And no, that's not because I drive slowly, but because I'm picking up my +1 before going to the venue. But my +1 lives like probably like 15 to 20 minutes from the location, so we probably will get there before 8, probably 7:45, depending on if she's ready when I get there. But yeah, so that's where we're heading. I'll soon be ending this intro because I'm driving with my roof lights on, and people can see that I'm in here talking to myself because I'm the only one in the vehicle. But not normally a late person, but because I really don't know what to expect, based on past events that I would have seen for Campari. It's normally big events like stage show kind of feeling, party kind of vibe. I don't know if it will be like a normal launch event where people are just networking and socializing and enjoying the products, etc., or it's going to be a big event. Their special artists, of course, is going to be Idonia, which from my understanding seems to be the brand ambassador for the launch that is taking place today and overall. So how did I get invited to this now? So I got invited because I'm currently working with a talent management agency, and I did some work, minor work, with them the other day for Campari. I got an invite to the launch, and I got an option to bring a +1, so I'm bringing a friend. Yeah, so I'll check in back with you guys soon. As you can see, it's night because I'm driving with my roof light, and I did tell you the time, so there won't be a lot of road vlogging unless I'm turning on my roof lights, and that isn't exactly safe for a female on the road driving with my roof lights on. So yeah, I was about to toot that man with my horn because he was driving out on me. But yeah, I'll definitely see how much of tonight's activities I can show you guys, and we'll see what becomes of this vlog. So you can see my hair is tied. I don't know how them bike this day. What their name again? Junker bike? I don't even remember. I don't know them noisy bike this day. Two of them just fast. So you can see my head tie, and funny story, I might even show you guys a piece of clip. I was trying a new hairstyle last night because honestly I got the invitation yesterday, and I was trying a new hairstyle last night. However, my edge control seems to be a little bit strong for the hairstyle, so I ended up doing my new go-to hairstyle, which is my ponytail. Hence why my hair is tied down, because I'm trying to keep my edges together until I get there. But yeah, so guys, when I'm on the toll, I'll come back and talk to you, because now that I'm driving where I'm driving, persons can actually see me, and that's not safe. So it's not really too dark either though, you know, but me soon come. So guys, I'm gonna talk to you a little in the dark, because I don't really need for summer right now, I just need for hear what I talk about. So I haven't been posting a lot lately, and I know some of my regulars might be wondering why, and persons would have reached out to me to ask me, want me to vlog them, want me to hear video them, and really most of the other things that I've been posting lately would have been I feel like when I want to see me most of the things that I would have posted lately would have been house videos, house hunting videos, etc. So I did try, as I said, to do the hair video last night. Really and truly over the last couple of weeks, maybe months, I've been doing very low manipulation hairstyles. I had in braids for about 6 weeks. After that, I did a wash and go for like a week or two because I went to work for a few days, so I did comb my hair. And then after that, I've really been doing some low manipulation hairstyles that I don't need to do anything at all to my hair once I do that. And that's why I really haven't been posting hair videos. In terms of vlogs, honestly, I haven't really been in the mood to vlog or have been leaving my house, to be honest. So that's why you guys haven't been getting vlogs. And I think that's one of the reasons why I kind of push myself to go out this evening for this invite, because it's kind of taking me out of my comfort zone, out of my space, to do something different, right? So yeah, so that's what I wanted to chip in and say to you guys, but I'll be back again soon, so talk to you soon.
A few moments later.
What you doing? We weren't here before, so we're not stealing a chance to get some snaps with the bad DJ in the background. Yeah, real bad DJ. No, no behavior.
So that's it, folks. What a night, what a show. Thank you.